2024 is at the verge of ending, but yes, it can go. That's why we need to have a fresh start to prepare for 2025. Hi guys, my name is Anita Anthony. If you're coming across my channel for the very first time, my name is Anita Anthony. To my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome. To my new subscribers, please kindly subscribe and join the family. Now, today I'm talking about ways to make 2025 your best year yet. Yay! Now, before I dive right into what I have prepared, I prepared a whole lot. You can see it is a whole lot. Like, it takes a whole lot, like there. But before I can start digesting, like start telling you guys one word for word, one after the other, I want to say that if you do not achieve all you want to achieve last year, it's fine. If you did not achieve all you want to achieve in 2024, it's fine, because 2025 is a fresh start. January helps us to dream. January, and to bring your dream to realization, there are some certain steps that you need to put forward to make sure that you make 2025 your best year yet. Okay, guys, now let me drive right into the book and just say something. So, making 2025 your best year yet, that involve a combination of your mindset. This time around, we're going to do our mindset. We're going to do away with mindset that are not favorable. All those negative mindsets, putting ourselves down. I cannot do this. I cannot achieve this. All those foolish mindsets, we're going to take it out from 2025. We just leave it at 2024. We will not take that mindset that we cannot make this much money, we cannot travel abroad, we cannot do the certain things, certain limitations that we have caused ourselves. We're going to take it away from our mind in 2025. Not going to put that there. Now, what can we do to have this, to make this 2025 a best year yet? Now, to make this year the best year yet, I'm smiling because this is a fresh start. God has given us a fresh start. So number one, we're going to set clear goals, clear and meaningful goals. This time, not clear, only clear, but the goals should also be meaningful. Okay, maybe you want to learn a skill. For example, now, I want to learn how to do my makeup. For example, I want to learn how to do my makeup. I want to have good grades. This time around is to set clear goals. Okay, the goal is you want to learn how to do your makeup, right? That's the goal. For example, now for the females, that's the goal. How can I learn it? Should I watch videos on YouTube? Should I go to classes? Like, should I book a physical class whereby I will have a one-on-one session with that person? That is, you're making your goals into, like, you have said this is what you want. You're putting steps on how to achieve those goals, clear and meaningful goals. All those huge goals, we want to take it away and set a clear goals. Okay, I want to make $1,000 in a month. How can I do that? Clear, simple goals. Okay, guys? Yeah. So to analyze your goals, sometimes I did a vision board. I don't know if I should put it on the screen, but I'll put it. I did a vision board for 2025. What I want. I can just put it at the screen here. It's just here. What I want in 2025, my vision board and everything. Okay. The second one is positive mindset. I know that I've said this before, but we cannot do away with this positive mindset. Now we need to cultivate it. To build something, to nurture something, we need to cultivate a heart of positive mindset. Oh, because I did not do it in could not achieve in 2024 doesn't it means I cannot achieve in 2025. No. Have a positive mindset that this year is my year. This year is wonderful. This 2025 is for me. Positive mindset. Oh, I could not achieve this in 2024 doesn't mean that I will not achieve in 2025. 2025, my finances will be better. 2025, my grade as a student will be better. Okay, guys? Positive mindset. Cultivate it. What you need this time around, cultivate a positive mindset. The third one in my list is financial planning and growth. Financial planning and growth. Oh, you just sit down and just think, how can I help my finance to be better? Because believe it or not, We need money. You need money. I need money. We all need money. In order to achieve our dreams, we need money to bring our dreams to realization. So you need money. So you can say, okay, what can I do? Okay, I want to buy the best of gadgets, the best of the best gadgets. You need money to afford those certain things. So you need to say, okay, my financial goals, what can I do to achieve more? Achieve my life. That is what a lot of people just to say. At least I achieved my life. At least I am alive. Yes, it's good thing that you are alive. But what is your financial growth? Like, what is your financial planning and your growth? What's the step you want to take? This time around, we want to be conscious of what we are doing. For example, okay, start saving. You can start saving. In this channel next year is going to be a very broad channel. So if you are not subscribed, please kindly subscribe. This channel next year, I'll be bringing a lot of tips. I don't want anybody. I want to take you guys along with my financial goals and everything. So this channel next year, we're going to be broader, we're going to be wider. I'm going to touch areas. I want you guys to say subscribe to this channel, because this channel next year, you're going to have a lot of juicy information to share. Invest as a student. I'll be bringing out investment, genuine and legit investment platforms. Invest. Go to the bank. Okay, I don't want to do online this thing. Go to the bank, tell them, okay, invest, buy shares, buy stocks, invest in real estate. Invest. 2025 is our year. Okay, guys? Yeah. Is prioritize your mental health. The fourth thing I'll say is prioritize your mental health. I'm almost like rounding up, so I want to be a little bit fast. Prioritize your mental health. If you want to go to the gym to stay fit, go to the gym. If you have money, you can. If you don't want to go to the gym, oh, I don't have that money, the gym is a little bit pricey. There is a lot of workouts in YouTube. Do YouTube exercise. A lot of workouts to do in YouTube. Okay, there's a home workout section in YouTube, so you don't have any reason to say, oh, I cannot do this, I cannot do that. No, if you want to do the gym, if you want to exercise, you can go to the gym to do that, or your home, you can also exercise at home. That being one. Then another thing that you can also do to prioritize your health is to eat good food. Oh, okay, you don't have money to always be buying food outside. You can cook. Yeah. Lots of cooking channels that is in YouTube. You said you'll be shocked. You can cook your meals, eat, breathe, survive. Prioritize your health. If you have money, go and buy good skincare. Take care of your skin. Take care of your skin. Prioritize your mental health. And now the last tip I will say, and that should be my very first tip safe, but the last tip I will say is involve your maker, involve God. Whether you're a Muslim, go to the Quran. If you're a Christian, serve God, involve God in your plan. Tell God that this is what I want to do. I lay down my 2025 to you. That's kind of things that on your own you cannot do them. You need God. I will say it again. You need God to help you in 2025 to achieve all your dreams, to make all your dreams to be achievable. You need God. Thank you for watching, and see you in 2025. I love you guys. Thank you. If you're not subscribed again, kindly subscribe, and see you all by the grace of God in 2020.